Welcome back to our channel, my country people. This channel keeps updated in everything going on in your country, Nigeria. Please do well to like and subscribe to our channel. And here is the headline for today. Controversial bill. I choose 20 years imprisonment than sing Tinubu anthem. Aisha Yesufu. My country people. Una don't see these updates. I don't hear these updates. Aisha don't talk say e better make she go 20 years imprisonment than make she dey sing national anthem wey she no know of. Make una cool down lis ten to this news in full. A social citric, Aisha Yesufu, says she will choose to spend 20 years in prison than to sing the new national anthem, which she described as President Bola Tinubu's anthem. So she talk say she no go sing Tinubu anthem. According to her, she talk say this new national anthem she dey call am as President Bola Ahmed Tinubu anthem. Say she no fit sing Tinubu anthem, better make she go spend 20 years for prison. Her statement comes after a report emerged that a bill because House of Representatives don release a bill say if anybody wey refuse to learn or sing this national anthem, say the person go pay fine of 5 million naira, or the person go spend 10 years imprisonment, or the person go do the post, you go pay 5 million and you go come still go 10 years of imprisonment if anybody wey refuse to learn this national anthem, or anybody wey destroy any national symbol, or anybody wey destroy national or place where they worship, any worship area. If anybody destroy the place of worship, or destroy the national symbol, or you know sabi sing the new national anthem, say you go pay fine of 5 million naira, or you could dey prison for 10 years, or rather you could do the both of them. So now Aisha don't come and talk say she go even prefer me she go dey prison for 20 years than make she learn Tinubu anthem, according to her. So according to what she talk, her statement comes after a report concerning that bill, so sponsored by the speaker Tonchude Abbas, and now awaiting the second reading, proposed a 25 years imprisonment or 10 million naira fine, or both, for any person that convicts for making a statement or taking an action that lead to separatist agitation or internal group or sectional conflicts in the country. So any group now wey go form, or wey go dey talk anyhow thing concerning this country, say that group they go give that group 25 years imprisonment, and that group go pay 10 million, or the group or individual go do the both of them if anybody or any person defeat for making a statement or taking an action that leads to separatist agitation in our country, Nigeria. According to some, the bill states that any person who destroys national symbol, refuses to recite the national anthem and pledge, deface a place, or anybody that destroy a place of worship with the intent of causing violence and subvert the federal government shall, on conviction, be liable to a fine of 5 million or 10 years imprisonment, or both of them, amongst others. However, in reaction, Aisha said she would rather serve imprisonment for 20 years rather than her singing the Tinubu anthem. She posted on X, which was formerly known as Twitter. She will choose 20 years imprisonment rather than singing Tinubu anthem passed by slave masqueradings as lawmakers in the national anthem. Say she no fit sing song wey say her forefathers, people wey say they use as slave before, say make they come bring the song again, make she come dey sing am. Say she no fit sing song wey our forefathers wey don serve the British as slave before, wey they dey sing. Say she no fit sing am for this current generation. So she reported that the Nigerian activist and politician had publicly rejected the recent adopted national anthem, Nigeria We Hail Thee. In a video recently cited by Daily Post, the activist, who was in an event, chose to sit while others stood during the recitation of this new anthem. And make una no forget, get one video wey say they upload for Twitter wey trend that time. Let me say they show for the video, the rest people stand up, they sing national anthem, Aisha sit down because according to her, she don't put her for mind say no be her anthem be that na Tinubu anthem. So if the rest wan stand up sing Tinubu anthem, she no fit stand up sing Tinubu anthem. So e better make she sit down than to dey sing anthem wey she no know. Aisha, who later shared a video clip that captured a moment of her official X hand, Aisha wrote, "Not my anthem." She don write am again for Twitter say dis anthem no be her anthem. Say na Tinubu anthem and she no fit dey sing Tinubu anthem. So my country pipo, wetin una reason concerning dis mata wey Aisha don drop? Like wetin una go do sef? Make we know your thoughts for comment section. Shey una go prefer going to prison, or if una prefer paying fine of 5 million, 10 million, 25 million, or you decide you go sing the anthem to avoid paying those bill or going to prison? Make me know your thoughts for the comment section, because we no understand why be say dem dey impose dis thing. E come be like say dem dey force us, like dem dey put fire for our leg say na by force. We no be pikin, we no be children wey say dem go dey push us. We no be sheep wey say dem go flog us say make we go dis direction. We get freedom. We no fit dey follow order, rules and orders. Shey una understand? So why dem go dey impose us with fine and imprisonment on top matter again? They are for government, is for the people and they are for us. Our voice dey suppose dey hear. No be say dey go dey force us make we dey do things wey we no suppose do. My country pipo, make you know your thoughts for the comment section. Make una do well to like and subscribe to our channel, and most importantly, hit on notification bell so dey informed whenever we drop ogbonge updates for una. Thank you for listening to the news of today. Do well to stay blessed.